Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a fascinating and, frankly, pretty provocative new financial manifesto. It's called Passive Wealth 2026, and it claims that basically everything we know about wealth generation and the traditional rules of money are completely obsolete. So let's unpack this blueprint and see what they're actually talking about.
Just listen to this bold claim right out of the gate. In 2026, the idea of working hard to earn a living has become a strategic error. I mean, let that sink in for a second. For generations, physical labor, grinding away, was the undisputed foundation of financial success. But this manifesto argues that trading your time for a paycheck is now a fundamental miscalculation. The old, hard work paradigm isn't just exhausting anymore. According to the source material, it's actively working against you in a landscape that's now dominated by automated wealth engines.
So, the whole premise here really boils down to this massive contrast. On one side, you have what they call the old reality, an exhausted majority stuck trading limited time for money, completely bogged down by slow, illiquid assets and needing literally millions just to get a seat at the table. Contrast that with the 2026 architecture. This is a totally new paradigm, defined by automated wealth engines, fractional tokenization, and incredibly low barriers to entry. The author argues that a new elite is leveraging this invisible architecture to build vast portfolios in absolute silence. They're moving from active exhaustion to passive automation.
Okay, so how do you actually navigate a shift like this? Well, the text introduces us to the concept of the money hacker. This is an identity built around a highly structured framework called the FAHO method, attributed to Fabrice Hachouet. Now, this isn't about just blindly throwing money at whatever random tech trend pops up. Not at all. It's a clinical, precise approach, asserting that ultimate success is really just the result of high-level execution. It's about deeply understanding the new rules of the game and deploying them with absolute precision to build an invisible empire.
A huge piece of vocabulary within this FHO framework is the financial impulse. The text defines this not as some reckless gamble, but as calculated, immediate action. You know how the traditional mindset always tells you to wait until you're rich to start investing? Well, the financial impulse flips that completely on its head. Waiting is the enemy here. The core strategy is to act right now, using whatever small capital you have to begin building these automated structures. You initiate the system today while everyone else is still busy making excuses.
So, what does this actually look like in the real world? The strategy anchors heavily on what they call Property 2.0, the era of tokenized real estate. Historically, real estate has been the ultimate walled garden, right? Buying a commercial hub in Dubai or a luxury apartment in New York required millions just across the threshold. But this text argues that blockchain technology has completely shattered that multi-million-dollar barrier to entry. By dividing a physical asset into thousands of digital tokens, kind of like puzzle pieces, the everyday investor can suddenly access the exact same asset classes that were once reserved strictly for the ultra-wealthy. And that brings us to, honestly, one of the most staggering numbers in this entire analysis. 6. Actually, let me clarify, that's 6 seconds. According to the source, that is the exact amount of time it takes to sell your digital property tokens on an exchange. Think about the old reality of real estate for a minute. If you need cash, selling a physical apartment could easily take 6 grueling months of listings, showings, endless negotiations, and crazy paperwork. By converting real estate into digital tokens, this architecture establishes just unbelievable liquidity. It seamlessly combines the historic stability of brick-and-mortar assets with the lightning-fast speed of modern digital tech.
But how do the mechanics of this actually work? Crucially, these aren't just empty digital coins. They're backed by real legal structures, like an LLC or a trust, which legally holds the physical asset. And because the whole system is digitized, property management algorithms can distribute rent directly to your account, sometimes even daily, prorated to your exact token share. You get unprecedented global diversification, and perhaps the best part? Total freedom from physical maintenance. There are zero 2 a.m. phone calls about a leaky pipe. There's just passive portfolio growth. To put the sheer scale of this into perspective, the text notes that with a relatively small sum, say €1,000, which isn't a massive fortune, you no longer have to put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you can purchase fractional tokens of 10 different buildings scattered across 5 completely different countries. You're basically constructing a highly resilient, globally distributed real estate empire that is entirely invisible to the naked eye. It's an absolute masterclass in risk mitigation that simply wasn't accessible to the average person a decade ago. Now hold on, because amidst all this excitement about daily rent drops and blockchains, the author issues a pretty severe warning. True financial security relies entirely on the legal foundation, not the flashy tech. If the LLC or the trust holding the physical building is poorly structured or insecure, those digital tokens representing it are effectively worthless. This detail is absolutely critical because it's what separates genuine strategic investing from mere tech hype. The 2026 architecture only works if the underlying legal foundation is rock solid.
Moving beyond just real estate, this source material points to the invisible brains running these portfolios, artificial intelligence, and SaaS platforms. While tokenization provides the hard assets, the AI and software provide the management, the analytics, and the optimization. These are the engines working 24/7 in the background. They make sure your income streams remain truly passive, relentlessly analyzing market trends and managing all the digital logistics without you ever having to lift a single finger.
Ultimately, this is what replacing hard work actually looks like in this manifesto. The author describes these systems operating with the precision of a Swiss watch. We're talking automated growth funnels, AI-driven customer service, and digital supply chains running completely autonomously. The money hacker isn't the one packing boxes or manually updating spreadsheets anymore. They're the architect standing up on the balcony, overseeing a self-sustaining machine that scales revenue without ever scaling physical effort.
To round out this whole high-tech framework, the strategy relies on a pretty surprising twist: highly traditional assets. Because a purely tech-driven portfolio can inherently be a bit volatile, the invisible empire is deliberately balanced using tokenized raw materials, things like gold, oil, and agriculture, right alongside bond ETFs. It's a fascinating hybrid approach, right? You're deploying the absolute cutting-edge technology of 2026 to optimize and hold humanity's oldest, most reliable asset classes. It ensures deep security and liquid stability. So, as we wrap up this explainer, we want to leave you with the ultimate question posed by the source material. The text claims this passive wealth revolution isn't just a fun option, it's a matter of absolute financial survival. So, the question you've got to ask yourself is this: are you actively building your own invisible architecture, leveraging tokenization and automation? Or are you part of the exhausted majority, still trading your limited time for money in a system that might have already left you behind? It's a highly provocative challenge about the future of your financial strategy, and certainly something to think about.